I'm just about to fit these door seals, and we've already done a video on fitting door seals, but I just want to make everybody aware now that somebody's been listening to what we've been saying about these door seals. They used to have a hard piece of foam in the top corners which prevented the doors from closing properly. Now I've just opened this packet. This is a Britpart packet, but it's got the new number, and 1216, that looks like manufacturing date. I'm not really sure, so they've been around for a little while. Yeah, that's great, because they've even got the little holes in the rubber to let, so they don't so they let the air out, so they're not like a balloon, if you see what I mean. So this is really good news. This is going to make life easier. So I just wanted to give you a heads up on that, because I've only just found it out. So yeah, new door seals. This is going to be a dream to fit. Talk to you later. So I'm fitting these door seals, and look at that, they're lovely. They're going to be really nice. But there was one thing I really wanted to show you, was down here. This is a nasty little bit to go around, and I don't know if you can see very well, but you can see the spring here is almost touching, well, it's about an eighth, 3/16 of an inch, maybe an eighth off the actual framework where the seal fits on. This bit's not too bad. I can get the seal down here, but I can't get it up there. It's just sticking out just that little bit too much, especially where it's starting to curve. So with the disc grinder here, I'm just going to cut that spring down a little bit. It won't harm it that much. Well, it won't harm it at all, to be honest. But it'll just give me a nice freer movement, because when I'm tapping that seal on, it's hitting this and kicking round and stopping it fitting. So don't be afraid to play around with these things.